thrown at the military for the longest time. On our part po sa 10th Infantry Division, our commanders, sa pangunguna po ngayon ni Brigadier General Benjamin Madrigal po, who is now our acting division commander until a permanent division commander will be designated. The leadership was always been clear that we do not tolerate this. Ito pong mga, we ask, we appeal to those groups to stop making sweeping statements saying na the military has been rampantly violating the human rights violations of this nomad, but instead file the appropriate charges with the Commission on Human Rights, or at least tell us the names of these specific persons, specific situations wherein nagkaroon po ng harassment na ginawa ang mga sundalo natin. The problem po with this case po, kaya nga po nandun po si General Badutan, nandun po si Colonel Cabreros nung nandun. And ganun, they said the same. So, sa amin naman po, we appeal also to the media. If there are reports, kindly tell us. Hindi naman po namin sinasabi na perfecto yung ating armed forces. Definitely, meron, hindi po available. But, you have to, we appeal to this group to at least tell us what are these violations, who violated so and so, and then we will gladly address all of these concerns and we'll even give you a report kung ano na ang nangyari sa mga reklamo to a certain soldier so and so. Other than that, the 10th Infantry Avila Division remains committed of providing all the necessary support system to all our government agencies, all concerned agencies, everybody who wants or who aspires for a just and lasting peace in the region.